What's this called?
Rock.
What's this called?
Block.
What's this called?
Spell.
What color is this?
Purple.
What's that made of?
Purple.
What's this made of?
Glass.
What's this called?
Glass. Is this a bowl?
What's this called? What's this called? What?
It's a book.
What's this called?
Sock.
What color?
Red.
What's this called? It's made of glass. What's it called? What's this called?
Is this a bowl?
Yes, it's a bowl. Good boy. He can't resist banging on the bowl. What's this book made of?
Paper.
What's this called?
Sock.
What's this made of? What's it made of?